Hey, what's up, Winklink holder? A massive jump, my friend, in this current time. But in the previous days, completely they are in the loss. All crypto market is dumps down very fastly. So this is reality, my friends. In the previous days, all crypto market is falls down. But my friends? What's the target of price at the end of this month? What's next? Can of coming times they move off or they falls down? And yes, what's the prediction? This is very important, my friend. So kindly holders, don't skip any second of this video. And yes, be safe from my friends a loss. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Kindly hold it. Before I get start this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and yes, press the bell icon for all videos notification. You can see here, first of all, the update last 1 hour. The last 1 hour update as a change and to negative, my friend. But you can see here, my friend, after a graph, after a jump, my friends, they also fails down. So you can see this is the reality. So it's mean to this is short fails. I hope, my friends, after this fails they also take a jump. You can see they're moving zigzag like a circulation. You can see after a fail they take a jump, after a fail they take a jump. You can see they completely move in this circulation. So if they're moving in this circulation, so if you can see here, after this point they also move off like a rocket. So if they're starting moving upward and off, then exactly, my friends, they can give you a very good profit. Yes, if we check out, my friend, this time the latest price 0.000939 USD dollar as the latest price, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the price change isn't be positive. If we check out, my friend, the last 2 hour chart to what's going on in the last 2 hour, my friend, you can see they also isn't negative. But if we check out, my friend, the last 4 hour chart, just and only, my friends, 2 hour you go to this starting fails now. But the last you can see here 4 hour is completely isn't a positive and they go on like a rocket. So it means to in the last 24 hours they also change occurs in positive. Winklink is one of the fastest coin, my friend, this time in the crypto market. Therefore, don't see, my friend, the short fails. But because this is if you starting short fails, then exactly, my friend, they cannot give you respect. They cannot give you a good profit. You can see, my friend, there are a resistance line exactly, my friend. Right? You can see here after you can see here in this circulation. After this circulation, my friend, they also fails down more and more. So it's mean to after that, my friend, they again fails down. This point, my friends, they did now and they fails down like a rocket. So kindly don't see the short fails if you are a long time investor like me, because I have cannot plan, my friends, to sell it one coin, my friend, before 2022. So therefore I think I want to more invest now. And if you want to invest now, so kindly research personally. This is not a financial video, remember. And yes, please like this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.